The first step is to remove the guide pin from the shifter. Note the sealing washer that must be replaced every time the guide pin is removed. Rotate the transaxle and locate the backup light switch. Use a wrench to unthread the backup light switch. The backup light switch also has a sealing washer that must be replaced every time. Additionally, the backup light switch is a spring-loaded ball mechanism with electrical contacts. Remove the shifter pivot mechanism. Rotate the transaxle and remove the 4 bolts that hold the shifter in. Make sure the shifter and transaxle are in neutral by moving the shifter in and out before attempting to remove the shifter. Once the shifter has been removed, we can see where the guide pin fits into the shifter mechanism. Remove the bolts that hold the end cover to the main housing. Then remove the end cover. Measure the 5th gear thrust clearance using a dial indicator and a 45-degree tip. Remove the original tip and thread the 45-degree replacement tip onto the dial indicator. Make sure the tip is tight and check the function of the dial indicator. Use the vice grip and flexible snake mount and the dial indicator to measure the axial movement on 5th gear by pulling up and down on the gear. Mount the dial plunger and 45-degree tip so it is preloaded onto the gear for axial measurement. Then pull up and down on the gear to make the measurement. The amount of axial movement is displayed on the dial indicator. If you see the same measurement 3 times, you have an accurate measurement. This movement is controlled by this snap ring, which is available in different thicknesses. Consult the service manual for clearance specifications.